through this grade 10 simple interest question. This is from 2023 and it's got a slight twist. They really like asking these types of questions. So calculate how many years it will take for an investment earning 7.5% simple interest. So let's just put that down. Okay. To double in value. Okay, so they don't give us that much. We are trying to work out what n is. Okay, so we are trying to work out what n is. We're trying to work out the number of years. And all we know is that the investment needs to double in value. So if they give us a question like this, you could plug in any number. So you could say like it starts out at 1,000. When is it going to reach 2,000? So that would be double. What they like seeing is if you use x. So you would say let x be the initial investment. Okay, and sometimes I know it seems scary when we put x in, but you're going to see it cancels out pretty soon and we don't have to work with x for long. Okay, so x be the initial investment, then 2x is the final. Okay, so if we quickly go through this, we can see we have got our interest rate I. Okay, remember we always use 7.5 divided by 100, so we always use that form. So 0.075. We've got n, we've got our starting amount, P, and then we've got our final amount, A. Okay, what we then do is we use the simple interest formula. So our simple interest formula is A is equal to P 1 plus IN. We have to know this formula. We are going to plug in what we've got and try solve for n, the number of years. So we're going to say 2x is equal to x 1 plus 0.075 times n. Okay, so it looks scary with the x's, but you're going to see almost immediately the x's cancel out. So we want to get n by itself. So first of all, let's get rid of this x. So we were timesing by x on the side. If we take it across, we're going to divide by x. So we're going to say then 2x divided by x Sorry, I don't know why it always does this. So 2x divided by x, let's get another blank document open. Okay, so we took the x across, so now we've got this form. 2x divided by x, and we still have the bracket on the other side, but we can actually just leave the bracket. So on the other side, we've got 1 plus 0.075 times n. What we can then do is x divided by x, those will cancel. So actually we've just got 2 on that side. The next thing then is we can take across the 1. Okay, so we were adding 1, now we can take it across and subtract 1. So on this side then we're going to have 2 minus 1 is equal to 0.075 times n. And then finally we just got to get rid of that 0.075. If we take that across, we were timesing by that, so we're going to divide by that. So on the other side now, 2 minus 1 is just 1. And we're going to take that across. 1 divided by 0.075 is equal to n. So if we do this division, we are going to get 13.33 carrying on is equal to n. Okay, so this n, remember, is the number of years. So it's going to take 13.33 years for this investment to double. We can't really have 0.33 of a year, so we will just round it up and say n would be 14 years. Okay, that's how many years it's going to take for this investment to double. I hope that helped. I hope it made sense. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions.